Backing up your data before coding in E-Sys, one of the most important steps many people skip. Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to back up your data in E-Sys before performing any coding operations. This step is mandatory, never skip it. If coding goes wrong without a backup, you can lose all CAFD data on the vehicle, causing ECUs to lose their coding, serious vehicle faults, and very difficult recovery. It only takes about 2 minutes to back up, but it can save you hours of troubleshooting. Step 1, back up the FA file, also known as the vehicle order. This file contains all the original factory option codes for the vehicle, the SA codes, all ordered equipment packages. Think of it as the vehicle's software birth certificate. Here's how. In the vehicle order section at the top left, click Read to pull the FA data from the vehicle. The software will display the message File Read, not saved yet, meaning the data has been read, but not yet saved. Then click Save. The Save File dialog opens. Navigate to your FA folder. Give the file a clear name. I use the vehicle name, for example F20. Then click Save. Next, step back up the SVT file. This file stores the firmware version and hardware configuration of every ECU on the vehicle. In the SVT Actual section on the right side of the screen, click Read ECU. You'll see the list populate in the left panel. This vehicle has 16 ECUs, including ACSM, AMPT, DME2, DSC. Then click Save next to the file name field. This is the most critical step in the entire backup process. In the coding section at the bottom right, click Read Coding Data. The software will connect and read the coding data from each ECU one by one from ACSM, AMPT, DME2, DSC, through all remaining modules. This process runs automatically. When the reading is complete, the report window will automatically appear with the title Report Zero Errors. Zero errors is the green light. It means all ECUs were read successfully with no issues. After confirming the report shows no errors, click Save in the report window to save it. The Save As dialog opens. Select TXT files as the file type. Navigate to the vehicle's folder in the video. This is the F969188 folder with a subfolder named Code. Name the file, for example, Code, then click Save. This .txt file is a record proving the vehicle's coding state before any changes were made. Very useful if you need to check back later. Close the report window, and you'll return to the main E-Sys screen. You can now see that the SVT file has been saved successfully in the correct location. At this point, we've completed all 3 mandatory backup steps. 1 FA file, vehicle order saved. 2 SVT files saved. 3 coding data, NCD files, and report.txt saved. Your backup process is now complete, and you're ready to move forward with coding safely in E-Sys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share to support the channel. Comment interested below if you want a full E-Sys coding tutorial series.